If you're looking for the 5 best cinema apps on Firestick that are completely legal and free to use, this video is for you. There are tons of apps out there claiming to offer unlimited movies, but today we're only covering official, licensed apps available directly from the Amazon App Store. No jailbreak, no sideloading, and no risky downloads. Let's get started. First up is Pluto TV. Pluto TV is one of the best free streaming apps you can install on Firestick. It offers live TV channels, on-demand movies, dedicated movie channels by genre, no subscription required. It's ad-supported, which is how it stays free, but everything on the platform is fully licensed. You can find it directly in the Amazon App Store. Next is Tubi. Tubi has a massive on-demand movie library, including action, comedy, horror, family films, documentaries. It's completely free with ads and does not require a paid subscription. One of the best parts? You don't even need to create an account to start watching. Number 3 is Freevee. Freevee is owned by Amazon and works perfectly on Firestick. It offers popular movies, TV shows, original content, rotating movie collections. Since it's part of Amazon's ecosystem, performance and reliability are excellent. At number 4, we have Plex. Many people think Plex is just for personal media servers, but it also offers free live TV, on-demand movies, ad-supported streaming channels. It's a great option if you want both free streaming and the ability to organize your own media library. Last but not least is Xumo Play. Xumo Play focuses heavily on live TV channels, movie channels, news and entertainment. It's simple, lightweight, and runs smoothly on most Firestick devices. Like the others, it's fully legal and available in the official App Store. Just a quick reminder, if you see apps online promising every movie ever made for free, those often involve unlicensed content and can put your device and accounts at risk. The apps we covered today are legal, safe, available, officially, monetization friendly for creators. So those are the 5 best cinema apps on Firestick that you can install right now without jailbreaking or sideloading anything. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Firestick tips and streaming app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.